Ever wondered how to create viral quiz videos on YouTube and in bulk? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll delve into the world of quiz videos, a realm that's becoming increasingly popular on YouTube. These videos are not just engaging, but they also provide a unique opportunity for interaction, making viewers feel part of the content. We're going to guide you through the process of creating these quiz videos, but not just one or two. We're talking about creating them in bulk. Now, why is this important? Well, having a large number of videos ready to go means you can maintain a consistent posting schedule, which is key to building an audience on YouTube. So whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this approach could be a game changer, helping to boost your reach, engagement, and ultimately, your success. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your YouTube game, stay tuned. First, let's grasp the significance of quiz videos and why they go viral. Quiz videos represent a unique blend of entertainment and engagement that resonates strongly with viewers. They invite participation, creating a dynamic interaction that goes beyond the passive absorption of content. Imagine you're not just watching a video, you're part of it. Your decisions matter, and your curiosity is piqued. That's the essence of quiz videos. They're like a conversation, a dialogue between the video creator and the viewer. Now, why do such videos often go viral? The answer lies in YouTube's algorithm. Audience engagement is a crucial factor for this algorithm. The more viewers interact with a video, the more they comment, like, share, and yes, participate in a quiz, the more YouTube promotes the video. It's a virtuous cycle of engagement and promotion fueled by the interactive nature of quiz videos. Now, understanding this, we can begin to craft our own viral quiz videos. The first step in creating viral quiz videos is effective planning. Let's delve into what this planning encompasses. Picture your planning phase as a map, a blueprint of sorts. This map will guide you through the exciting journey of creating engaging quiz videos that your viewers will love. First off, brainstorming. This is where your creativity takes the driver's seat. You need to come up with a myriad of quiz topics. Think about what's trending, what your viewers might be curious about, or even something completely out of the box. The aim here is to keep your audience guessing, to make them eager for the next question, the next video. And how do we make these quizzes engaging? Well, that's where the magic lies. You could use riddles, trivia, or even puzzles. Mix and match different types of quizzes to keep things fresh. Remember, your audience has a wide range of interests. Catering to these diverse interests will not only keep your current viewers hooked, but also attract new ones. Now, consistency is key in the world of content creation. If you're sporadic with your uploads, you risk losing your audience's interest. So, plan a series of quizzes. This not only ensures that you have a steady stream of content, but also gives your audience something to look forward to. The beauty of planning a series is that it allows for bulk production. This doesn't mean churning out videos without thought. Rather, it means being smart about your production process. Create a well-structured plan, break down each quiz into manageable parts, and then tackle them systematically. This approach will make your production process smoother and more efficient. Planning is more than just a preliminary step. It's the backbone of your process. It's what ensures that your quiz videos are not just good, but great. And remember, a great quiz video is one that entertains, engages, and educates. With a solid plan, you're ready to dive into the creation process. Next, we delve into the core of any quiz video, the questions. The questions you craft are the heart and soul of your quiz video. They are what will challenge, engage, and entertain your viewers, keeping them hooked to your content. So, how do you create captivating questions? First and foremost, variety is key. Mix it up. Don't just stick to one type of question. Use multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blanks, picture-based questions, and so on. This not only keeps your viewers interested, but it also caters to different thinking styles, making your quiz more inclusive and appealing to a wider audience. Next, consider the difficulty level of your questions. It's important to strike a balance here. If your questions are too easy, your viewers might get bored. If they're too hard, they might get frustrated and click away. Start with a few easy questions to get your viewers warmed up, then gradually increase the difficulty to keep them challenged. Remember, the aim is not to stump your viewers, but to engage them. So, don't be afraid to throw in a few curveballs or surprise questions to keep them on their toes. This element of surprise can add a fun twist to your quiz and make it more memorable. Also, don't forget to add context to your questions. For instance, if your quiz is about movies, don't just ask, "Who won the Best Actor Oscar in 2023?" Instead, add a bit of trivia or backstory to your question. This not only makes your questions more interesting, but also adds value to your content. Lastly, it's crucial to keep your questions clear and concise. Long, complex questions can confuse your viewers and detract from the fun, interactive nature of your quiz. So always aim for simplicity and clarity in your question crafting. To sum it up, captivating questions are those that are varied, balanced in difficulty, surprising, context-rich, and clear. Remember, your questions are not just a means to an end. They are the journey that takes your viewers on an engaging, fun-filled ride. Great questions form the backbone of a viral quiz video. With your questions ready, it's time to bring your quiz video to life. So let's dive right into the production and editing process, shall we? Recording your video is the first step towards bringing your vision to life. Now, you don't need a mega expensive camera or a Hollywood studio to make this happen. A simple smartphone or a DSLR, combined with a tripod for stability, can work wonders. Just make sure you're in a well-lit area and your camera is focused right. Now, onto the audio. Clear audio is just as crucial, if not more, than the video quality. Your audience needs to hear your quiz questions clearly to engage with them. So invest in a good microphone, or at least ensure your recording environment is quiet and echo-free. Remember, your audience will forgive a slightly blurry video, but they might not be as forgiving with poor audio. Once you've got your raw footage and audio, it's time to jump into the editing process. The goal here is to create a smooth flow that keeps your audience engaged. Trim any excess footage, add transitions between questions, and ensure there are no awkward silences. Keep the pace energetic and lively, but be careful not to rush through the questions. After all, you want to give your audience time to think and answer. As for editing software, there are plenty of options out there that are beginner-friendly. Programs like iMovie for Mac users or Windows Movie Maker for Windows users are great places to start. They're free, intuitive, and packed with all the basic editing tools you'll need. As you become more comfortable with editing, you might want to explore more advanced options like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. And there you have it. You've recorded your video, captured clear audio, and edited everything together into an engaging quiz video. It might seem like a lot of work in the beginning, but trust me, with practice, it'll become second nature. With your video produced and edited, you're almost ready to hit publish. Finally, to ensure your quiz video reaches the masses, we need to optimize and promote. Let's talk about how to make your video easily discoverable on YouTube, which is the second largest search engine in the world. Firstly, let's tackle SEO practices. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a fancy way of saying making your content findable. When it comes to your video titles, be clear and concise. Use keywords that match what people are searching for. The closer your title to their search query, the more likely they are to click on your video. Next, let's talk about descriptions. This is where you can include more detailed information about your video, and more importantly, more keywords. However, remember to be natural. You're writing for humans, not robots. Then there are the tags. Tags are another way for YouTube to understand what your video is about. Include relevant tags, but don't go overboard. A few well-chosen tags are better than a laundry list of loosely related ones. But SEO is just one side of the coin. The other side is promoting your video on other platforms. You can't just publish a video on YouTube and expect it to go viral on its own. You need to share it far and wide, post it on your social media, send it to your email list, even consider partnerships with other content creators. The more places your video is, the more likely it is to be seen. And remember, the goal isn't just to get views, it's to get engaged viewers. So encourage your audience to like, comment, and share your video. These interactions signal to YouTube that your video is engaging, which can boost your video in the search rankings. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating viral quiz videos on YouTube. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it. So roll up your sleeves and start creating. Your viral quiz video awaits.